You are probably paying for software you no longer need. Design tools, writing tools, editing tools, research tools, project management tools. Free AI tools are now replacing all of them. And most people have absolutely no idea. Welcome to AIplified. Here are the free AI tools replacing expensive software and saving people $200 or more every month. If you find this useful, subscribe to AIplified right now. Let's get into it. Tool number 1. Canva AI is replacing Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Adobe Creative Cloud costs between $55 and $85 every single month. Canva's free tier now includes AI image generation, background removal, text-to-image, and design templates for everything. For most people who are not professional designers, Canva AI does everything Adobe does, for free. The prompt you need in Canva AI is simple. Describe exactly what you want to create, and Canva generates it in seconds. The exact prompt is in the description below. Copy and paste it right now. Tool number 2. ChatGPT is replacing Grammarly, Jasper, and Copy AI. Grammarly Premium costs $12 per month. Jasper AI costs $40 per month. Copy AI costs $36 per month. That is $88 every month on writing tools. ChatGPT Free does everything all three of them do, and does it better. Paste any text into ChatGPT and ask it to fix grammar, improve clarity, rewrite for a specific audience, or generate entirely new copy from scratch. The exact prompt is in the description. Tool number 3. Perplexity AI is replacing expensive research subscriptions. Market research platforms, news aggregators, and academic databases charge $20 to $200 per month for curated research. Perplexity searches the internet in real time, gives you sourced answers, and summarizes complex information instantly. For business research, competitor analysis, and industry insights, Perplexity replaces tools that cost hundreds every month. It is completely free. Tool number 4. Pictory and CapCut AI are replacing video editing software. Adobe Premiere Pro costs $58 per month. Final Cut Pro costs $299 once, but requires expensive hardware to run well. Pictory turns a script into a complete video with voiceover, captions, and music in minutes. CapCut's free AI tools handle everything from auto captions to background removal to video enhancement, all for free. Tool number 5. Notion AI is replacing project management subscriptions. Asana, Monday.com, and similar tools cost $10 to $25 per user per month. Notion's free tier includes AI writing, task management, project tracking, note-taking, and database management all in one place. One free tool replacing 3 or 4 paid subscriptions simultaneously. Tool number 6. Claude AI is replacing expensive legal and document review services. Lawyers charge $150 to $500 per hour to review contracts and documents. Claude AI reads and explains any document in plain English, for free. Upload or paste any contract, agreement, or complex document, and ask Claude to explain it, flag concerns, and suggest questions to ask before signing. This does not replace a lawyer for major legal matters, but for basic document comprehension, it saves hundreds of dollars. Let me add up what these free tools replace. Adobe Creative Cloud, $55 to $85 per month. Grammarly Premium, $12 per month. Jasper AI, $40 per month. Perplexity Pro, $20 per month. Adobe Premiere Pro, $58 per month. Asana or Monday, $20 per month. That is over $200 every single month, replaced by free AI tools available to you right now. All the tools mentioned in this video are linked in the description below. Subscribe to AIplified for more free AI tools every week. Always in plain English, always practical, always free to start. Later this week, how to build an app using AI with zero coding experience. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you then.